and welcome back to Godshalls Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some bacon breakfast burritos. To make our burritos today, you're going to need some sour cream, rice, Cholula hot sauce, sugar and salt, lime juice, jalapeños, queso fresco, black beans, tomatillos, some tortillas, avocados, yellow pepper, onion, garlic, eggs, cilantro, and of course, Godshalls real wood smoked turkey bacon. First things first, let's cook our bacon. Beautiful. To start our burritos, we're going to make a verde sauce. In order to do that, we're going to use tomatillos and jalapeños, and we're going to blister them in the oven. You can use it on broil. And to do the tomatillos, you're going to peel off this outer leafy layer, which actually comes off real simple. It's real clean. For our jalapeños, we're just going to take off the tops and the centers and put them on the sheet pan with the tomatillos. Our tomatillos and our jalapeños are prepped. We're going to throw them under the broiler for about 5 minutes to get them nice and dark. Hey, slippery little suckers. There we go. In the meantime, we're going to prep our veg. We're going to slice some avocado to fit into our burrito. So we're going to start at the top, follow it all the way through. You'll feel your knife hit the pit. Twisty. Then take your knife or a spoon, pop it out. Oop. To start with the filling for our burritos, we're going to saute our pepper and our onions in a little bit of olive oil. Our pan's nice and hot. We're going to throw in the peppers first. Throw in your onion. So we've sauteed our onions and our pepper. We're going to let them sweat a little bit. Now we're going to add our black beans, our rice, and our queso fresco with some salt and pepper. Pepper, black beans, rice. You're going to add your rice. We use leftover rice, but if you want to make fresh rice, you can. And as this is cooking and heating up, we're going to slowly crumble over some of our queso fresco. We've sauteed our filling, our tomatillos and our jalapeños are ready. We're going to pull them out and make our sauce. Nice and bubbly. To make our verde sauce, we're going to throw our jalapeños and our tomatillos into our food processor. And we're going to add in our cilantro, garlic, salt, sugar, and lime juice, and blend her up. Cilantro, garlic, about 1.5 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon each of sugar and salt. Now, if this gets a little difficult to blend, you can add some water as well. We're gonna put our filling in this bowl so we can prep all of our burritos at once. Oh, it smells so good. To keep some of the flavor in my scrambled eggs, I'm gonna use the same pan that I cooked the filling in for the burritos. Throw in some salt and pepper. And scramble them up. We're gonna fill our burritos, put them in the pan, pour over our sauce, and throw them in the oven. Start with our bacon. A little bit of sour cream on each one. Some avocado. Okay. Some of our eggs. Now our filling. Our vegetables and rice. Boom. Pour over some of our tomatillo sauce, verde sauce. And we're gonna bake this for about 5 to 10 minutes, just get it nice and crispy. And then we'll top with queso. We're gonna throw it in a 350-degree oven for about 5 or 10 minutes. You wanna see the sides of your tortillas start to get a little brown. It's been about 10 minutes. Our burritos are nice and crispy. We're gonna take them out and serve them. Task. Beautiful. And the last one. Top it off with some queso fresco. Little sour cream. And some cilantro. And that is our bacon breakfast burritos.